And girls, and welcome to math. So on Monday, we learned about tally marks and what they are. We learned that tally marks are actually a more efficient, if not a quicker way to collect data. So today we are going to use tally marks to collect data and then use that data to create a pictograph. So here we have a box of fruit, and we are going to tally what we have here in this box of fruit. Then we're going to turn over here and we're going to complete the pictograph. So the first thing we want to do is, of course, look at the apples in the box here, and we're going to count them, and we are going to go ahead and use our drawing tool to be able to draw our tally marks. So let's get started. All right, so let's take a look first of all at the apples, and we are going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to come here and draw me 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. How many cherries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember the chant we learned on Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 shuts the door. So if you learn that chant, you know that when you get to 5, we're going to draw that tally mark diagonally. All right, let's go to the banana. How many bananas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's a lot of bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. And what comes after 5? That's right, 6. All right, so now we're going to go back and we're going to write the totals here in the box for apples. And we counted 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. So I'm going to write the number 4 right here. How many cherries did we say we had? Let's prove it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. And how many bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shuts the door. 6. All right, so now we've got our numbers, our totals for apples, cherries, and bananas. Now I'm going to come over here to my graph, and I'm going to go ahead and use my touch tool to go ahead and move my apples over here. So remember, the total of green apples is 4. So I'm going to come over here and move 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 onto my pictograph. How many cherries did we count? That's right, 5. So I'm going to come over here and move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And lastly, bananas. Remember, we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas. So now I'm going to move 6 over here to my pictograph. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which fruit did we have the most of? Can you tell? That's right, bananas. Which one did we have the least of? You guessed it, apples. We had less apples than bananas. All right, friends, now it's your turn to tally and graph.